besides all the cells, all the wonderful topologies that you saw so far, I mean, it's you cannot believe how just doing a simple thing like having a bunch of cubes, cubic cells into the space, okay, and flowing a gas, liquid or whatever into this cube. If the face of this cube are perpendicular to the flow, goes, you will get a flow like this, okay? So it's a straight flow. Now, the same cubic cell, I just tilt this cell of 45 degrees in the 3 direction, and just the same cell, the flow will behave like this. And this is amazing. I mean, you just change everything. This is a mixer on the bottom, and in the other case, it's a completely different flow.